you and assist you in your evaluation. And I'll tell you, not all administrators are highly trained at evaluating. They don't go through a specific training for that. That's a very intensive, specific thing. So on all those levels, you can use Evelyn. And what we found is that it reduces the workload by 90%. It takes hours of work and turns into minutes. It literally will take that entire evaluation, it scores it, it provides feedback, it provides quotes, it timestamps it, it scores it. Um, and uh, it can hear and see literally everything that's going on. It knows if a student raises their hand. It knows how the work on the wall relates to that lesson. When there's 20 students talking in a classroom, having conversations about the lesson, I can pick out maybe 2 or 3 to try to listen to, and I can watch a couple. This tool can see all students at all times. It can pick up all the voices at all times and understand that, put it together, so it's doing things that I can't do or other administrators can't do. We actually tested it. We actually took a highly trained administrator, someone who trains other administrators on how to evaluate, and we had a competition. We said, go do 25, 50 evaluations and see how you score. And we did the same thing with the AI tool, Evelyn, in that same room. We found that they scored within 7/100ths of 1 point. They scored within each other across all evaluations. And generally, when there was disagreement on an area that was scored, Evelyn was the one that prevailed because it could just see and hear more and had more evidence to suggest, yes, this was very good, or maybe this did need some more work. So yeah, we're really excited about that. We've been rolling it out. We just started a couple weeks ago. We shared it, and we've already had well over a dozen districts say, we want to meet with you. And we didn't create this for any other reason than to help education. We looked at our data, we followed our thing, and this is just an example of us going through that process I mentioned earlier. I had no idea we were going to create Evelyn. I but we saw the data, we saw the need, and we said, how can AI help us? How can we think differently about education? This is a cost-effective tool that reduces workloads, it can save districts money, and it provides instant feedback to teachers rather than the standard, "Okay, let's meet next week." And you've had 25 lessons in between there, and now you're trying to think back to that lesson plan when it's not fresh.